Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by locking down the essentials so every action counts. First, run focused keyword research and pick 5-10 targets per product and category. Prioritize buyer intent. Next, make Shopify SEO settings consistent, choose a preferred domain, clean URL handles, and enable sitemap XML. Then connect Google Analytics 4 and Google Search Console and submit sitemap right away. Once done, verify indexing and check for crawl errors, because without verified analytics, you won't measure impact. Now you execute the on-page work that moves rankings. Start by editing title tags and meta descriptions for every key page. Include the primary keyword and keep titles within 50-60 characters so they don't truncate. Next, implement structured data for products. Include price, availability, review ratings, and SKU to improve rich result chances. Then, write unique, benefit-driven product descriptions and ensure each page has a single H1. Once done, add internal links from high-authority pages to distribute link equity and reduce orphan pages. Finish with technical cleanup and launch validation so your work sticks. First, optimize site speed. Compress images, enable lazy loading, audit apps, and use a CDN so pages load under 3 seconds. Then confirm mobile-first rendering, set canonical tags to prevent duplicates, and review robots. TXT and sitemap entries in Search Console. Finally, monitor core web vitals and crawl reports. Fix any 4XX or 5XX errors quickly. If something breaks after a change, revert to your backup theme immediately to restore sales, then troubleshoot logs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.